It's Max Angelo and another video today. I'm at my grandma's house and here's my cousin Abby. Oh, Pepsi. Oh shit. Oh, Dr. Pepper's here. Oh, Pepsi. Hey, sweet mouth. Oh, okay. Hold up, guys. Jeez, help us. I don't know what should we do in this video.
You dropped the bookmark outside your car, so it's in it.
Okay. I dropped my bookmark too. Oh, it doesn't matter. Sit down. Ow! Ooh, ice cream. What are you doing? Yeah. Oh, this is my cookie. I forgot. Still finishing it. Stop! Oh no, not my rocket shooter. Hey, you get that off my ice cream. Get it off. My ice cream doesn't want bullet in it. They call for shooter ice cream. Hey, Rex. What shoot it? Shoot it. Hold up, guys. Freeze, Rex, here, right there.
Rex is gonna eat it.
You didn't even do nothing. Oh, Rex, you're so cute. Ah, ah. Okay, Rex, just stay still. It's not going to hurt. Rex, this happens in every dog's life. Don't worry, it doesn't hurt. No, what are you doing? Hey, no. Oh my god. This is a funny video. Hey, Rex, what's up? I'm cracking up for some reason. No. Rex, no, my bullet. I will kill you, Rex. Rex. Watch this, I'm going to scare Rex. I'm going to scare him.
Mike, want me to do it? Mike, you take it. The bullet's in it.
He's after me.
Mikey, take the
Okay. Nice. Daddy. Nice. Oh. Keep running. Okay, he's coming. Stop. Oh no, he got it. I mean, go and meet some teamwork. Rex, the evil Rexosaurus, got my thing. Look at his evil eyes. He's killing my soldier. Aha. Hey Rex, want to ball out together? Drop it.
Okay.
Hey Rex, do you want to get stuffed up? I am Michael the Leprechaun.
Sit, Rexy.
Rex, give me my bullet thing. Where's Rex? Does he?
Drop it.
Does he? I just thrown. Oh, thank you, Rex. And Rex, you get this. Work.
Dude, give me the rocket.
He's going to put his germs on it. He has dog germs. Dog germs. Yeah, this is a funny video. Now we gotta drink my Pepsi.
No, Rex, no.
Yeah, Rex, you.
Pick it up.
I thought I saw Rex
Pick
peed.
it up.
At first I thought I saw, look at his done. First I thought I saw Rex peed. Look at his evil eyes. He's evil. He's evil called evil. Hey, where's Quickster?
Over in the corner.
Hey, Quickster.
Stop.
I'm trying to wake him up so he could say hello. No! No! Don't put that in my ice cream. Oreo, my favorite. Actually, it's been Oreo. Ah! You're going to be canceled off my YouTube channel.
Okay, sorry.
Yeah, you don't want to, do you?
My mom subscribed to you.
I have more videos. I have 4. I have 4 videos. And I'm still going to make one next week. And this is going to be it. Rax. It's going to be called Rax. Crazy Rax. What a bit called.
Mikey, come in here.
Sure. Sure, dog. Are we in here?
Sit down.
Okay.
Now say, oh.
Look, the dog. Look at cute
And
dogs.
make your best burping impression. You go first.
I gotta get my pot. Drug, drug, drug. Drug, drug, drug. Excuse me. Excuse me again. I'm like a burping source. I'm a burping source.
What was that?
I was almost about to spit water and laugh. Excuse me. No, Rex, don't come in here. Rex, you're banned over here. Look, Rex is banned over here. Yeah, Rex, you run away, you snide dog. Yeah, Rex, you run away, you snide dog. Okay.
Baby burp.
I was almost about laugh at the same time. We're from burping sources over here. We're from evil burposaurus. Nah, I can't get out. Can't get out. I'm stuck. Oh, never mind. Burposaurus. Excuse me. This is how much a burposaurus weighs.
No wonder you like fresh Pepsi.
160.
Yeah, for burposauruses.
Mikey, come over here.
We're for evil, Kadival burposauruses. Parkour. Oh, shoot. Kick the trash can. That's not parkour. Yeah, you stay back.
We have to do the
Rex, you stay over there.
challenge.
You snide dog. What? Don't touch my iPad.
Let me see it.
You put girl germs on it.
No, I won't. Here. Let me see it.
Yeah.
We have to do the tumbling challenge.
Don't press that. Don't press that square button.
I won't. Okay, that's good. Alright. So you have to start off with the roll. It's the forward roll. Mikey goes first. Oh, shoot.
No, this is how you.
Now a backwards roll.
Oh no, that's not happening.
Do a backwards roll.
It's not happening.
Oh my god, there's a car with the flag on it.
Or are you going to say made you look diamond for baby book?
What?
Are you going to say made you look diamond for baby books?
Good job. Mikey, take that little guy out of there out.
No.
Take him out. Yes. I
Jeez.
wanna pet him.
No, they're zombies. Oh my god, my Steve. My hand's wet. No, my Steve's wet. Hold up. Thank you. Put back in with his blood. Put back in with his sister. Put him back in with his sister.
How do you know that wasn't a girl?
Oh, that was for boy. The other one's for girl. They're sleeping. Until you woke the boy up.
You open
Now he's going to have nightmares of us. Ow! Stop hitting me!
How to do the camel?
Oh, you. Oh, now I'm bleeding. Not. Well, I think that's me. Ow! Stop hitting my head. Well, I think that's the end of this video. So, peace out, home. Let's do that again. Peace out, home dogs. To that thing again that you said peace out at.
Peace out, home dogs.